Hi, you're watching Kitchen and Elle. For today's video, we are making garlic shrimp and scrambled egg fried rice. Our ingredients will be 4 eggs, cooked rice, shrimp, vegetable oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. We'll have to mince the garlic and chop the shrimp. Next, we'll scramble the egg. Then let's add salt and pepper to taste. For the viewer's information, this video has been cropped and forwarded to reduce the waiting time. Next, let's put the pan on the stove. Set the stove in medium heat. Wait until it gets warm, and then we can pour the vegetable oil. Wait for the vegetable oil to get warm for a few seconds, and then we can pour the scrambled egg. Increase the heat into medium-high and keep mixing it until it gets cooked. Now that it's cooked, we will put it aside for later use. This time, let's use a bigger wok or a bigger pan. Put the stove in medium heat. Wait for the pan to get warm. Once the pan is warm, let's now put the vegetable oil and let it warm as well before we can start frying. Now that the oil is warm, we can saute the garlic. Once the garlic turns light brown, take the shrimp and put it in the pan and continue mixing. This time, let's set the stove in medium-high. Continue mixing the garlic and shrimp for a minute or two. After a minute or two, let's take the fried scrambled egg that we put aside earlier and include it in the mix. Then, continue mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes mixing, let's now take the rice. Put half now and half later to mix them all good. And for the last part, let's add the pepper and salt to taste and continue mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can add more salt till you reach your preferred taste. This is now our finished garlic shrimp and scrambled fried rice. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom of this video, and thank you for watching.